Well, it's Thursday, November 18th, 19th, something like that. And I'm getting ready to take some logs to an Amish sawmill. Early this year, Powerline company laid a bunch of trees on the edge of the easement. I went up there not too long after that and estimated how many logs I might get from those downed trees, and so here's just a short video to show what we got and before I take them. So here is my trailer, and I was going to try to get all the larger logs on here, but just the way that these went on, I just don't feel comfortable piling any more logs on top of them. So I guess I'll take this first load tomorrow, and then we'll see how that goes, and I'll start grabbing more, I suppose, one or two more loads. Anyway, that's what's on there now. Red oak, I guess, and one small cherry. Kind of crooked, but I'm going to try to see how much 2-inch lumber I can get from this stuff. Okay, so here's the remainder of the logs. I think the total count is 27. This is the other larger one that I wanted to get on there. Not a great log, I agree, but anyway, there it is. And here are the rest of them. What did I say, 27 all told? Okay, so they're not all that big. I think there's a couple of 10-footers in here. The rest of them are 8'6". So anyway, that's my story. So they'll be going to the sawmill, be sawed up into as much 2-inch lumber as I can get.